And this time the stocks which are backed by different brokerages which have initiated coverage on stocks. Surbhi joins in with that list. Surbhi.
Thanks so much for that. So I have three interesting initiating coverages. The first one is on Stylam Industries by HDFC Securities. They have a buy rating with a target price of 2,300. They say Stylam is the fastest growing laminate company in India. They're gaining market share in both domestic and export markets. Their acrylic segment is also growing at a rapid pace, and they expect this segment to grow at over 50% compounded growth in the next 3 years. The company is also focusing on brownfield expansion and laminate debottlenecking to drive growth. They are valuing it at 22 times September 25 EPS, which is still a 35% discount to Greenlam's valuation multiple. Next is on Gravita India, and this is by Antique. They have a buy rating with a target price of 1250. They say the company is one of the global recycler of non-ferrous secondary metals and plastics. It is the beneficiary of increased supply of scrap coming into the organized market. They expect the market share of the company to improve to 16 to 18% levels. Aggressive capex is also going to drive growth, over 31% volume growth in the next 3 years. They expect revenue and EBITDA to grow in the range of 24 to 28% in the next 2 years. Ambit has initiated on IndusInd Bank. They have a buy rating with a target price of 1650. They call it the leader of the middle pack. The company has scored over mid-sized new-gen banks with lower cost of funds, less risk on balance sheet, and more diversified loan book. They estimate 19% EPS compounded growth and 16% average return on equity over the next 2 fiscals. They expect the NIM contraction to be at 15 basis points in the next 2 fiscals. They say they deserve premium over the other mid-sized private banks.
Okay, got that. Thank you very much for the details on this one. Surbhi, thanks for joining in. We have the